In this video, you are going to see how to type Ca2+ in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply two methods. Let us type here Ca2 and plus. Now let us choose the 2 plus and go to home, and here you will see an option Superscript. Click on over here, then the 2 plus will be Superscript. If you want to change the font color, select it. You can change it from here very easily. Let us uncheck the Superscript. There is another method. Go to Insert, go to Equation, click on Insert New Equation. Then go to Script, and here you will see Superscript. Click on over here. Click on the first box, right here Ca, and click on the second box, type here 2 plus. And here you will see this is in italic. Select everything, go to home and uncheck the italic. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.